Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create breakout rooms in Zoom Workplace step by step. First, open Zoom Workplace on your computer and start a new meeting. Click the New Meeting button and then click Start to begin the meeting. After the meeting starts, click the More button from the bottom toolbar. From the menu, click Breakout Rooms. The Breakout Rooms window will open. Here you can choose how many breakout rooms you want to create. For example, you can create 2 breakout rooms, 3 breakout rooms, or any number depending on your meeting. Zoom also gives you the option to assign participants automatically or manually. In this video, I'm just showing the setup process. Because I do not have other participants in this meeting, I'm only demonstrating how to create breakout rooms. After selecting the number of rooms, click Create. You can rename the rooms, move participants between rooms, and adjust the breakout room settings before opening them. When participants are available, click Open All Rooms to send everyone to their assigned breakout rooms. As the host, you can join any breakout room, broadcast a message to all rooms, and close the rooms whenever you want. Breakout rooms are useful for group discussions, online classes, workshops, training sessions, and team collaboration. When the discussion is finished, click Close All Rooms, and participants will return to the main meeting automatically. That's how you can create breakout rooms in Zoom Workplace. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.